Welcome to this tutorial on how to use categories in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to create and manage categories quickly using your WordPress account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the WordPress homepage loads, locate and click the login option, which can be found in the top right corner of the page. This will direct you to the login section where you are prompted to sign in. After clicking the login button, you will see an option to continue with Google. Select this option to simplify the login process. When you choose the Google sign-in, a list of your available Google accounts will be displayed. Take your time to choose the account that you prefer to use with WordPress. Selecting your preferred account helps ensure that all subsequent actions in WordPress are properly associated with your chosen profile. Once you have signed in with your Google account, navigate to the Pages section. This area allows you to manage your website pages and is a good starting point if you are setting up additional content or customizing the structure of your site. When on the Pages screen, you will notice a link that leads directly to this section. Make sure that you are on the Pages area before proceeding to the next steps. Next, look for a link or a tab that leads to the Categories Management section. Within WordPress, categories are an essential tool that lets you classify content, thereby making it easier for your visitors to find related articles and resources on your website. Clicking on the Categories link will open a new screen specifically designed for managing your categories. The layout typically features a list or table on the right that displays all current categories. Now that you are in the Categories section, you will need to add a new category. Begin by entering the name of the category you wish to create. This should be a short, descriptive title that accurately reflects the type of content you plan to group under this category. Providing a clear category name is essential and ensures that your website visitors can easily identify and navigate through the topics covered on your site. Once you have entered the category name, the next step is to provide a description. The description should offer additional details about the content that will be found under this category. Although the description is not always visible to your visitors, it can be useful for internal organization or for improving search engine optimization if you decide to display it on your website. Take a moment to carefully craft a helpful and concise description. After entering both the category name and its description, finalize the process by clicking on the option that adds the new category. The new category will then appear in the table on the right side of the screen, confirming that it has been successfully created. The final action in this tutorial is to set this newly created category as the default. This ensures that any new content you publish will automatically be assigned to this category unless you choose a different one. To set the default category, simply click on the corresponding button. Following these steps will help you efficiently add and manage categories on your WordPress website. This streamlined process is designed to help you organize your content in a logical and user-friendly manner. By taking advantage of these features, you can improve the navigation and overall experience of your website for your visitors. Enjoy customizing your WordPress site with these easy-to-follow methods.